Today I'll be showing you how to paint the beadlock rings on your SCX24 wheels. To paint the beadlocks, I'll be using a silver Sharpie metallic paint marker. Let's start by bending the sidewall of the tire away from the beadlock's edge. This will make it easier to paint the beadlock ring without hitting your tire with the marker. Carefully paint one section of the beadlock at a time and rotate your wheel to the next area when finished. With the outside of the beadlock complete, we'll start working on the ring's interior. To prevent silver Sharpie from getting on the inside of the wheel, I'll be masking it off with green painter's tape. Grab your stencil and find the circle that matches the wheel's inner circumference. Trace the circle onto the painter's tape and cut it out. If you don't have a stencil, press painter's tape into the wheel's interior and trace the inside of the beadlock ring. Then remove the tape and cut out your circle. Now that we have our circles cut out, firmly push the tape into the center of the wheel and start painting. The tape allows me to run my Sharpie along the beadlock's inner edge without getting any unwanted paint on the wheel. With painting of the beadlock ring complete, remove the tape from your wheel. If any paint does make its way onto the tape, you can scrape it off with an X-Acto knife while still fresh. To finish up, carefully paint the 6 lug nuts located in the middle of your wheel. Here's a look at the newly painted beadlock rings on my SCX24 Deadbolt. If you would like to learn more about the SCX24, check out one of the video recommendations coming up next. Thanks for watching.